Welcome to PageProof's fresh new features, where we take a quick look at just some of the recent new features and enhancements our team brought to yours. Webhooks are a game changer for team productivity. They work behind the scenes, automatically sending updates to your other business systems the moment something changes in your proofing workflow. Team administrators can utilize two new webhooks, when a proof is archived and when a proof is unarchived. The PageProof plugin for Adobe Photoshop has been enhanced to offer handy filtering and ordering for proofs and for comments too. Perfect if you want to filter proofs to only see those with a to-do list returned, for example. And when actioning comments, order by position on the artwork or filter by commenter. There are many different filters to set. Hover over a comment to copy comment text too. And over in the plugin for Adobe InDesign, you'll find a handy new feature to zoom into the marked up area. PageProof has always supported selecting files from storage providers, Dropbox, Google Drive, Box and OneDrive. Now you can select multiple files, enabling you to easily combine the files into a single proof or create them as individual proofs. Did you know PageProof automatically detects if a reviewer has an out-of-office set and lets the proof owner know? If you want to control this email notification and others, go to your profile to do so. Team administrators will now see a new look for the team members area. Click on a column name to sort. You can adjust column widths too, update name information quickly, and adjust settings easily without having to open the team member's profile. You'll see more features and functionality coming to this new team members area later this year. Our most recent PageProof Academy deep dives into all the features and settings that team administrators can control, and you'll find a link to this recorded session in the video description below. To stay updated with what's new in PageProof, subscribe to our channel or follow us on LinkedIn. PageProof, making feedback welcome.